DIY steering rack and pinion repair. Toyota Vios 2008 to 2013. Is your steering feeling loose, making noise, or leaking fluid? It might be your steering rack. Today, I'll show you how to repair the rack and pinion assembly on a Toyota Vios 2008 to 2013, step by step. Before we begin, make sure you have the right tools and a repair kit ready. Lift the front of the car and secure it with jack stands. Then remove both front wheels for better access. Disconnect the outer tie rods using a puller. Be careful not to damage the threads. Disconnect the steering shaft from the rack. Mark its position so you can reinstall it correctly. Unbolt the steering rack from the chassis. And carefully slide it out. Disassemble the rack and inspect all internal components. Remove old seals and bushings, then clean everything thoroughly. Install the new seals and bushings from your repair kit. Apply grease and make sure everything is properly aligned. Reassemble the steering rack and install it back into the vehicle. Tighten all bolts securely and reconnect the steering shaft and tie rods. Refill the power steering fluid and bleed the system by turning the steering wheel from left to right several times. Start the engine and test the steering. It should feel smooth and quiet with no leaks. And that's it. Your steering rack is now repaired. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more DIY car repair guides.